Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would come on here and do an updated how to apply false lashes, because I constantly get questions, how do you apply eyelashes so easily and da 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 da. Let me tell you, when I first started applying lashes, it was not easy at all. It's quite tedious to learn and you've just got to keep practicing. So yeah, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so I might just put my hair up because yeah, I just feel like it's everywhere. If you guys don't know, I'm pretty much fully blonde now. My roots are always a little bit more warm toned and orangey, but there's not a lot I can do about that because I naturally have dark hair, but I'm pretty happy with it considering how dark my hair was. Things you will need to apply false lashes are mascara, any of your choice, eyelash glue, again, any of your choice, an eyelash curler, a small pair of scissors, some tweezers or eyelash applicators, some lashes. First of all, the first thing that you want to do is curl your lashes. Then you want to apply mascara. You don't have to apply like a lot, just a little bit. Then you want to grab your lashes and you want to slowly pull them downwards like this. You don't want to rip straight from here because they could break. So yeah, you just want to slowly pull them down. Also, when you look at a lash like packaging like this is obviously the left eye and this is the right eye, and a lot of lashes are actually quite long when you get them. My eyes are quite small, so you want to just look down into a mirror and just place the lash on, and then as you can see there's a lot hanging over here. So you just want to trim. Say I pick it up where I need to trim. So I need to trim this much off, like where my tweezer is down. So that little bit there. Again, you want to measure it onto your eye. Make sure you don't need to cut any more off. As you can see now, it pretty much fits my eye perfectly. If you want, you can take a little bit more off. I'm not going to actually wear these lashes today, but I just wanted to show you guys. And you always want to cut from the outer edge, because usually the outer edge is a lot longer than the front, because you don't want really long lashes at the front. There is some lashes that are really long at the front, so it doesn't really matter what end you cut from, but generally you always chop from the end. And the reason you do want to cut them, a lot of people say, why do I have to cut them? If you have a lash that is too long, it can make your eye look extremely droopy. So I'm going to show you guys with this on again. This is cut to the perfect size of my eye. I'm not going to glue it down, so it's going to look a little bit funny. That should be down, but as you can see, it fits my eye really well. It's not making my eye look droopy, whereas I'll just grab the other one. So as you can see, this is the eye that I haven't trimmed. It looks too full on and just too droopy and like kind of weird. So you always want to definitely trim them. So these are the lashes that I'm going to be wearing today. These are my favorite. These are from Socialize and they are in the style Minx 2.0. I prefer a latex free glue because I find it dries a lot quicker and it isn't as like stringy as latex glue, and I am not a fan of the smell of latex, so I prefer a latex free glue. I just find it dries so much faster, and instead of like sitting there and blowing on your lash for like 30 seconds, you can literally go straight in. So what you want to do is look down into a mirror, and then you want to place the lash just above your like natural lashes on the very, very start of your lid. Then you just want to gently press it down, and yeah, that is it. So again, you want to look down into a mirror. So just pop the lash on, straight down. Another easier way of putting on lashes is actually doing winged eyeliner and kind of putting it on top of your winged eyeliner. This is just what works for me, and I wanted to do a little quick video. It's not much different to my original one, I don't think. If I can find it, I'll link it here. But yeah, I just wanted to do an updated one because so many people ask me, and I'm also going to share this onto my Facebook page. So everybody, this is it. This is how I apply my fake lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did do one previously, but I think it was like a couple of years ago, so I will link that down below if I can find it. But yeah, I find eyelashes like so easy to do now. I feel like they complete any look, and I just, yeah, cannot go without them. So yeah, if you guys want to see any other videos like how I clean my eyelashes and stuff, please let me know, because I can definitely do that for you guys. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. I love you so, so much, and if you haven't already, please hit subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I will leave those all linked down below. Bye!